Several men and women across the United States are suffering from a condition called floppy Bronco windows, but don't worry, there is help. Now, suffering from floppy Bronco windows can really hurt your self-esteem. It makes you not want to pick up your friends. It makes you not even want to drive your Bronco. You kind of just want to stay home. But don't worry, with YouTube and other Bronco forums out there, there's plenty of help. The first thing you need to do is pull out these plugs. Okay, after you get those two plugs pulled, go ahead and roll down your window. Okay, here we are taking a look at the adjustment bolts. Now you can see here that if you loosen that nut and slide it the rest of the way in that groove that direction, on both of these, slide them both that way, all right, forward towards the front of the car, that's going to tighten up your window. Okay, let's get our 10mm socket out, loosen them up. And then just kind of slide them over as far as they'll go and retighten them. Same with the other side. Just pull it forward. Tighten them up. All right, now you can see that those bolts are now slid all the way that direction, which is the forward side of the vehicle. Same with this one here, all the way that way. Now let's see if we still have a floppy window. All right, let's go ahead and roll her up. All right, that's much better. Now you're always going to have a little bit of flop in these windows just because they're frameless windows, but it's a lot better than it was. Having floppy Bronco windows can really hurt your confidence and your self-esteem. Hopefully this video will help you out to solve your problem. If it did, give it a like, maybe subscribe for more Bronco content. I hope you had fun with this video. I'll see you next time.